In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's H-panel to access the WordPress dashboard. This guide is perfect for those who are new to Hostinger and want to efficiently manage their WordPress sites. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger's homepage, or simply click on the direct link you may have saved or bookmarked. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, log in using your credentials. Be sure to verify that you're on the official site, ensuring your data remains secure. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the H-panel dashboard. This is the place where you can manage all the aspects of your Hostinger account and websites. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several options. Click on the Websites tab. This will take you to a new section specifically dedicated to all the websites you currently have under your Hostinger account. Here, you'll see a list of all your managed websites. To proceed, find the website that you'd like to manage with WordPress. Once located, click on that particular site's name. This click will guide you toward the dashboard dedicated to that specific website. If you have multiple websites, ensure you've selected the correct one, as actions on this dashboard will affect the chosen site. Next, look for the dashboard option on the subsequent page. The word dashboard acts as a key control panel for your selected website, providing you with various management options to enhance your site's performance, security, and appearance. It's essential to familiarize yourself with each feature available here, as it empowers you to customize your site to suit your needs. Now that you're in the website dashboard, you'll see various features, among which is WordPress Overview. Go ahead and click on that. This section provides a quick glimpse into your WordPress setup. It displays significant metrics related to WordPress, such as updates and performance data. Understanding and utilizing these metrics can help keep your site running smoothly and efficiently. Each of these steps ensures that navigating through H-panel is straightforward and manageable, unlocking the potential to optimize the functionality and appearance of your WordPress site. Once on the WordPress overview page, take a moment to explore the various features and updates present. Keeping your WordPress installation updated and secure is crucial for maintaining a professional and functioning site. So that wraps up today's guide on navigating Hostinger to access the WordPress dashboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment, and don't hesitate to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials. Happy website managing!